Hey beauties! I was sent this hair by a company called YoungTher, and I'm extra excited for today's video because in it, I'll be showing you this cute hair and this hack that helped me cut my crocheting time down by hours. It's a literally life-changing hack and you need to see this, okay? I was able to achieve this entire style in just a few hours, whereas before I learned this technique, it used to take me literal days to finish a crochet style. So I'm putting you on to affordable hair and a new technique. I always try to bring value to my viewers, so keep watching to get this love in your spirit. So I did not record the front braids because they're not the focus of today's video, but they're the foundation I'm starting with. It came in 6 lightweight packs and I found that to be the perfect amount for the style I'm going for. So in the back, I start with a part in the middle and the 2 sections on the side tied away for later. I made this part pretty thin because I wanted it to be easy to hide. I've seen people demonstrate this technique, but there was a lot of space and scalp showing in the back because their braids were too big. So that's a huge tip. Excuse this shot being out of focus, but I then added 6 braids going out from the middle on each side. You want to make sure you braid out from the middle towards your ears. That's also an important step and you'll see why in a second. Now it's time for the fun part. You want to remove your hair from the package, but don't take it off the string yet. You're then going to take a hair beater and you're going to slide it into the loops at the top of the hair that are connected by the string. This makes it super easy to add the hair to the beater because you don't have to do each one individually. Now you want to take one of your cornrows in the back and pull the tip of it through the beater. And then slide the crochet hair up and onto your hair. This is the regular way you use a beater, it's just crochet hair instead of beads. And so from there, you're going to pull a piece of the braid you had in the middle out. I took that braid out earlier when I first started adding the crochet hair. And you just want to pinch off half of that tiny section and connect your braid to it using a rubber band. This is why it was important earlier for you to braid out towards your ears. You're going to be laying the braid back towards the middle to create the row of crochet. Then you just want to repeat that on both sides all the way up. I was able to achieve this entire style in just a few hours, whereas before I learned this technique, it used to take me literal days to finish a crochet style. And then braid both sections down. Some people do just one braid here, but I did 2 braids to keep the middle as flat as possible. And then I just pinned it under my hairline with some bobby pins. This hair is extra thick so you can't see a thing. For this last section on the top of my head, I'm taking one of my cornrows in the front and using that as my crochet braid, the same as I did in the back. You just want to add the crochet hair with a beater and then lay that row across the top of your head. And then all I do is secure it with a pin the same as the back. And I'm left with perfectly hidden braids in the back and a full section of crochet that was done in about an hour and a half total. I then add Bantu knots to the front braids. Say hello to my little friend Quinn. And that's the style, y'all. It came out so cute that you never think that I took such a shortcut to get this look. This is a huge innovation in the natural hair world, and I'm just here to spread the good news. Check out how bouncy this hair is. I really like it, and I'll be posting a full review on this hair in a couple days, so stay tuned for that. As always, like this video to support me, and thanks for watching. Later, babes.